Hello, welcome people to another session of Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. Today you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of area and circumference of a circle. So sit back, relax and enjoy the lesson.
Okay, it's made out of a rectangular piece of paper 30 by 40. Can you see 30 by 40? Straight away, how long? 30 by 40 as shown, consider 4 identical quarter circle and 5 straight lines. Hey, where are the 4 circles, people? Where are the 4 circles? Quarter circles? Can you see? Anyone? This is one of them. Okay. Show you. This is one, right? Yes, up to here, one of them. Where's the second one? Anyone? 3 and 4. Do you understand this is a semicircle? Everybody understand or not? Here is 1 quarter. Here is 2 quarter. Get it, people? There is a 3 quarter here. Get it? Get it? And there are 4 quarters. Okay, can you see 4 quarters? Everyone? Brian can see? 1 quarter?
Yeah.
Right? Ken?
Yeah.
Rachel? Alejandro? Alejandro, can you see there are 2 quarters there?
Yes.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. 4 quarters and 5 straight lines. Where are the straight lines, people? This is a straight line. Can see or not? Why I don't count that one was a straight line? Because it is part of a quarter circle. People understand or not? Okay, you know why I don't count this? You know why I can't count this? Because this is part of the circle, quarter circle. So it's already counted. You see, try to confuse us with English. Can you see how? So where's the other one? Here. Can you see now? Right? And here. Now I want to check with Mr. Lucas. Do I count this as a straight line? Lucas, do I count this as a straight line?
Yes.
Do I, Miss Alejandro?
Wait, what? Let me see.
Do I? Miss Rachel, do I? Mr. Brian, do I? Count this as a straight line?
No.
No, why? Because it's already part of the quarter
Figure.
circle. See, you guys listening, that's why I know. Then where on earth is it? Fake us, right? Here. Can see now? There's another one here. Now you know what is 5 straight lines. See, for those who are listening, they understand now. Can you see 5 straight lines? These are quarter circles. They're already included, then cannot count. Can you see now? Can you see? Agree, Miss Rachel?
Yes.
Yes. But then he said, find the parameter. Find the parameter means we must count lah. Very sad, right? Figures, right? Okay. Although it don't belong to the 5 straight lines, see, we try to take us. But do we have to add this one? Tell me, do we have to add this one? Do we? If the parameter, do I have to add this one? Yes, right. But it belongs to the circle lah, quarter circle. Do you understand? What color shall I use? Maybe yellow. Easier to see. Yellow. Do I have to count this? Yes, because parameter. Where else should I count? Here also, right? Do I need to count? It doesn't belong to the 5 straight line, but it belongs to the quarter circle. And it forms part of the parameter. Can you see that? Okay, the first one says, and according to NTL, find the parameter. People, can you see all this? So how many straight lines can I need to add together? It's not 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand or not? Yes or not? Hello? Alejandro,
Yeah.
do you understand why I now do 8? Because this is part of the quarter circle. This is part of the quarter circle. This one, part of the quarter circle. this one part of the quarter circle, and this one part of quarter circle. Have to count. Get it? The 5
Yes.
straight lines is now orange color. Nothing belongs to the circle. They try to fake us. Okay?
Yeah.
Can Miss Rachel understand or not?
Yes.
Yes. So I am going to add. Okay. How much? Yeah. Okay. 5 straight lines. Okay. So how much is one line? 40 divided by 4 boxes, right? Okay. You write the statement. 40 divided by 4 boxes. Do you understand? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of them is 10 cm. That means the radius is 10 cm. One of this line is 10. Do you understand why? Get it? Because of 40 divided by 4. Can you all understand why?
Yes.
40 divided by 4. Can you understand why? Okay, 40 divided by 4. Understand not? Here's 10. Here's another 10. Here's another 10. Here's another 10. Okay? Because of that, the radius is 10. Can you see? This is 10. The radius is 10. Can The radius of circle is 10. Can establish already? Rachel, can see that the radius is 10?
Yes.
Okay, Alejandro, okay, Lucas and Tieshu
Yeah.
can see one. So sometimes no need to ask them. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Can So in that case, parameter need to add how many straight lines? Just now we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that means 8 times 10 cm. That's part of the parameter. Yes, not those straight lines. Okay. Parameter, find the parameter here, find the parameter. So I added all the here, the parameter I'm shading it. See on the left hand side. Yeah. So what else do I need to cover? I need to cover the circle, right? Can you see people? So how many circles should I cover? 1/4 here.
One.
One hole, right? You can see one hole, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, I shade for you. Not nice, but here is 1/4, 2/4 because I'm using a mouse and freehand, and half plus everything you can see actually is one full circle. Rachel can see or not? Plus one full circle circumference. That would encompass all the, what do you call it? Encompass all the parameter. Do you all understand? One full circle here, the red color, which I painted, so I put that red color. Understand or not?
Yes.
Yeah, good. 2 pi r is the circumference. Okay, so 2, did they say what pi? Pi is 3.14. 3.14. You don't know pi r. R is equal to 10. This one is the circumference is 2 pi r formula for you. Okay, don't pi d. There's no d here. Okay, so 2 pi 10. Add these two should be the answer of the parameter.
142.8.
Wow, so ugly. 142.8. 142.8 cm. Yeah, this is parameter. Everybody agree with the number that I think Alejandro always give me the number one. Yeah, 142.8. Rachel, agree or not?
Yes.
Do you know why I put 8 times 10? Because 8 straight line, and Alejandro say all these figures, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, 1/2 here, all make up a full circle. That's the whole parameter. So a circumference is 2 pi r, not area. 2 times pi times 10. Okay or not, Rachel? Before we hit the area, Rachel, okay? Area.
Yes.
What is the area of the shaded figure? Okay, the area of the shaded figure is made out of what? Here. Okay, area of the shaded figure. How many square boxes do we have? How many square boxes do we have? How many square boxes do we have? How many?
4.
4,
4.
right? Okay, so there are 4 squares. Can see people? Okay, so then plus 1 circle, I can see now. Can see now? Plus 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So what do? We add up the 4s of this. How much? 4 of this how much? Hey, this is the 10, this is the 10, is it? Just now we established this is a 10, is it? This is a 10, is it? Here's a 10, this is a 10. So altogether, this circle how much? This square how much? Huh? Alejandro, how much? Quick. Huh? Is it 10 and 10, right? 20, right? Hello? Agree or not?
Yeah.
So this one, you know why 20 or not? 20 times 20,
Yes.
right? This 10, 10, I told you already. That's why it's 20 here. Okay, so what is this? 20 times 20 is what? 400, huh? Yes?
Yeah, 400.
Plus, I have to plus one whole circle, right? Plus the one whole circle. Do you all understand where it come from? This circle came from here. There, 1/4 of this circle, 1/4 here, and half here. Do you understand? Okay, make it a nice circle. There, 1/2 here, 1/4 here, and 1/4 here. I understand now, people. So it's like actually adding a full circle. Do you all understand why I
Yes.
add a full circle?
Yes.
Rachel, understand what? Why I
Yeah.
add a full circle? There's 1/4 here, there's a half here, and 1/4 over here. So add one full circle. Okay? What is the formula of a circle? Mr. Brian, area of a circle. Pi? No or not?
Pi r square.
Yeah, R squared, don't D squared. No more D. That's why I don't like D. I always work with radius. Can you see? Where got pi D squared die already? Okay? All right. So use 3.14 plus A. What's the radius? What's the radius? Miss Rachel?
10.
Yeah, Miss Alejandro. Hey, here lah, 10. I already established for you in the beginning already. Wow, Mr. Brian. Here I was swinging the radius. All right, this is 10. Can you see the radius? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah. Can you see or not? Hello? Hey, can you see or not? Mr. Brian, earlier really apart I told you, don't make me forget the 10 square here. Okay, all you need to do, I don't know, they'll calculate. What is it? At least two of you should come up with the same answer. Miss Rachel, what's the answer? Miss Rachel, what's the answer? Huh? Brian, Alejandro?
714.
Okay, anyone confirm with her? If two calculators confirm the answer, I will believe, I will take it. No sound. But is it 2% confirm?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Mr. Brian confirmed. So, okay, the answer is 7-4.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.